In this video, I want to show you my biggest regret on how I missed out on $245,000 profit. Hey guys, my name is Ricci and I am a chartered accountant. In this video, I want to share to you on what really happened and why I missed out on $245,000 profit. Here is my story. 7 years ago, the property market was really hot. Everything was selling by auctions. There was not enough property that had an advertised price on it. And one day, when I checked my phone, there was this 3-bedroom unit property that was advertised for $300,000. As soon as I saw it, I jumped on it, I called the agent and I organized inspection. After the inspection, I was really impressed with the property. Not just the property was tidy, but also property was rented to tenant that was paying $350 a week. It was an old lady and she had one daughter. So really, this property would be cash flow negative about $1,000 to $3,000 per year, which is not too bad. And then, after I finished the inspection, I put an offer straight away. I was actually the first one that put an offer. I put an offer of $290,000. A few days later, the agent came back to me and said there was another family that put an offer that was higher than mine. So I put my offer up to $300,000, which was the advertised price. However, the agent came back to me again and said, "Look, John, this family actually put an offer higher than yours, but I would like to give you the opportunity to buy this property if you can offer $310,000. Honestly, at the time, my max budget was $300,000, but I said to the agent, I am going to offer $301,000 as my final offer. And then the agent said something that I will never ever forget for the rest of my life. He said along this line, "You know what, John? I have been investing in property for a long time. And I have made so many bad decisions and I really regret on some of my missed purchases. Therefore, please think it again because I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity and you are going to regret it one day." But at the time, I was so young and stubborn. I didn't understand about investment at all. So I missed out on the property. And he was right. That decision costing me $245,000 because that same property is now worth $555,000. Not only the property increased to $555,000, but the rental per week has increased to about $500 per week. So if I held the property for the first 3 years, I would be losing money. But after that, I would be positive cash flow because of the rental increase. And on top of that, I would have $245,000 equity behind me today. Can you imagine if you have got an extra $245,000? What would you do? You're probably gonna go traveling, maybe after COVID-19. You're probably gonna buy clothes, you're probably gonna buy a new car or even buy new houses or buy new shares or whatever it is. But please do not make the same mistake as I was. Now, let's dive in a little more on why I missed out on the deal. Not only I was young and didn't understand investment at the time, I did not have the knowledge, I didn't understand about the return on investment in X amount of time. If I thought that property gonna give me $250,000 in 6 years, 10 years or 15 years, I would look at that investment a little differently because the difference in $9,000 actually didn't really matter in a span of time. And I also scared on what if that tenant leave the house? What if I couldn't afford to pay $1,000 to $3,000 per year? What if this, what if that, what if I lost my jobs? And what if I couldn't service the loan? What if I get rejected by the bank? I had so many what ifs. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you for listening to me until the end. And please like and subscribe if this story is helpful to you. And I will see you guys in the next video.